भाई, monsoon ma momo khanera pani ma nachne bhanne. Sachi? Wait for it. Last part will shock you. When monsoon hits, hostel corridors smell like chai and Maggie, yaar. Pura nostalgia. Puddles become mini football pitches. Everyone goes all in with soggy sneakers, bro. Chai and pakoda combo? Monsoon comfort. Kya baat hai? But also power cuts, mosquito wars, raindrop on window sad songs, and that one soggy sock drama. Comment below. Monsoon ko favorite thing? Momo or chai? Debate time, yaar.